Hi, my name is Yusma Izurin. Lagi apa? Annyeonghaseyo.
Hi, my name is Aisha Asri.
Hi, my name is Lukmanur Hakim.
Hello, my name is Nur Ashikin binti Abu Hanifah.
My name is Muhammad Uzai bin Lazi. In physics, motion is the change in the position of an object over time, and motion can be mathematically described in terms of position or displacement, in terms of velocity, and in terms of acceleration. The motion of a body is observed by attaching a frame of reference to an observer and measuring the change in position of the body relative to that frame. And we all know the velocity is the derivative of position and acceleration is the derivative of velocity. If the position of an object is not changing relatively to a given time frame of reference, the object is to be said to be at rest or to have a constant position. And sometimes, an object is depending on another object. And for example, can be shown in example of pulley.
Sometimes the motion of the particle depends on the motion of another. This is called dependent motion. One situation that creates dependent motion is when two particles are connected by a cord around a pulley.
The elevator shown in this figure moves downward with a constant of velocity of 4 meters per second. Determine the velocity of the cable. B. Velocity of the counterweight W. C. Relative velocity of cable C with respect to elevator. And last is relative velocity of counterweight with respect of elevator.
So today I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. So first, we have to determine the constraint equation by using the variable from here. Okay, first for the first chord, we will add YC plus 2YE because this YE got the same length. Okay, equal to constant. So from this equation, we can find the velocity of these things. VC plus 2 VE equal to 0. Okay. So for the second chord, YE plus 2YW equal to constant. And from here, we also can find the velocity and also the acceleration. But for this question, we only want to find the velocity. VE plus, VE plus VW equal to 0. So from this question, we can find the velocity of the cable. And for the VE, it was given in the question. So for the first question, to find the velocity of cable, so you just put 4 meter in here and then solve and find the velocity, and we will find the velocity. So for the second question, we need to find the velocity of the counterweight. So we will use this equation. You just have to put the VE and then solve for VW. For question C, we need to find the relative velocity of C with respect to E, which means C to E, motor to elevator. So we just have to write like this: VC to E, which means VC minus VE. So VC and VE, we can find it from here that we find just now. So you just put it and then you will find the answer. Okay, for the D question, we need to find the relative velocity of W with respect to E, which means W to E. VW to E equal VW minus VE. And then you will find the velocity of VW with respect to VE.
Problem identification. Problem number 2. The elevator shown starts from rest, moves upward with constant acceleration. If the counterweight W moves through 10 meter in 5 seconds. Determine the acceleration of the elevator and the cable C. And second, the velocity of the elevator after 5 seconds.
Next, I will explain to you on how to solve this second problem. So first, in this question, the length of W were given, which is 10 meter, and the time were given 5 seconds. Okay? And also in this question, it said that the cable move at rest and move upwards. So which means V is constant. When V is constant, we can use this formula, which is Y equal to Y naught plus V naught T plus 1 over 2AT square to find the A. So for this question, we need to find the acceleration of the cable and the elevator, and then also the velocity of the elevator after 5 seconds. So first, I will show you on how to find the acceleration of W. Okay, in the question, it was given that length W is 10, time there is 5 seconds, and A there is constant, which means we will use this equation, which is Y equal to Y naught plus V naught T plus half AT square. So from this question, we will find the acceleration of the weight. So when we find this acceleration of weight, we will find the velocity, the acceleration of E and C. So I will show you on how to solve this problem. So let's get started. So first, to find the acceleration of E and C, we can use this equation, which is AE plus AEW equal to 0. Since the acceleration of weight is given, we can find the AE. Okay? So to find the acceleration of C, we will have to use this equation that we get from the variable, which is AC plus 2AE equal to 0. So from here, we get to find the AC. So for the last question, we will find the velocity of elevator after 5 seconds. So since the acceleration is constant and V naught is 0, we will use this formula, V equal to V naught plus AT square. We will use this formula to find the velocity after 5 seconds, which is VE equal to V naught plus AT 5 seconds. Then you will find the velocity of elevator.
We have come into the end of our video, and as the conclusion, it can be said that the problem stated can be solved by using the dependent motion method.